comparing Python and R programming. While Python and R were created with different purposes, Python as a general purpose programming language and R for statistical analysis, nowadays both are suitable for any data science task. However, Python is considered a most versatile programming language than R, as it's also extremely popular in other software domains such as software development, web development, and gaming. As a general purpose programming language, Python is a standard go-to choice for software developers and breaking into data science. Plus, Python's focus on productivity makes it a more suitable tool to build complex applications. R is widely used in academia and certain sectors such as finance and pharmaceuticals. It is a perfect language for statistical analysis and researchers with limited programming skills. Python syntax is considered one of the closest programming languages to English. This makes it a very good language for new programmers with a smooth and linear learning curve. Although R is designed to run basic data analysis easily and within minutes, things get harder and complex tasks, and it takes more time for our users to master the language. And overall, Python considered a good language for beginner programmers. R is easier to learn when you start out, but once come to advanced sessions, it's too difficult to develop. So we have a new programming language like Julia, recently gaining popularity in data science, but Python and R remain the absolute kings in the discipline. Both Python and R have robust and extensive ecosystems of packages and libraries specifically designed for data science. Most packages in Python are hosted in Python package index PyPy, whereas R packages are normally stored in Comprehensive R Archive Network, CRAN. Python has a simple syntax and easy to learn. R have a relatively complex syntax. Python statistical packages are less powerful when you compare with R. In Python, the most popular IDEs in data science are Jupyter Notebooks and its modern version, Jupyter Lab as well as Spider. For R, the most commonly used IDE is RStudio. Its interface is organized so that a user can view graphs, data tables, R code and output all at the same time. Is Python better than R? Python is better than R as it can be used for multiple purposes. If the purpose is data analysis and visualization, R is the better option. Which is easier to learn, Python or R? Both are easier languages to learn. Python is easier to learn as the syntax is very simple. Which is more in demand? The demand for R is more than Python in data science. Should I learn R if I know Python? It's not necessary basically, but it's better to go with R again. The advantages of R, it's open source and it's a platform independent. And data wrangling, plots and graphs and package availability, as R having numerous packages. The disadvantages, memory, it consumes more memory. Security, it's difficult to learn when you compare with Python. And R is a slow processing language. Data handling is tedious as it requires all the data to be in one place. The advantage of Python is versatility and it's open source. It has many libraries. Its integration and control capabilities enhance and save a lot of time. The disadvantage is speed. As Python is an interpreted language, it's relatively slower than other programming languages. Python is not suitable for Android and iOS environments. Python consumes a significant amount of RAM. The database access layers are underdeveloped in comparison to JDBC or ODBC. Threading or flow of multiple functions at the same time is a downside in Python due to its global interpreter lock.